Ndi bondo manege munte. Ndi bondo manje mono. Before me chefu okwu ikpeazụ Ohamadike one of Biafra land niile. Onye nani a na-ebu ogbe one na Biafra land niile. Onye ụwa niile ma ndị ọjọọ fụrụ size that n'ihe ọ na-eme adịrọ mma. Aka na-eche ọbịbịa Jesus Christ. Amarụsị m n'ihe Jesus Christ mere mgbe gboo onye ndu anyị anaghị eme kịta. Ofu ọkwọ Chineke, ofu Chineke, chikekwara ọkpara Chineke, chikekwara Nnamdi Kanu. Ongwa n'ihe dị iche ka anyị gwa n'onwe anyị eziokwu. Ọ bụ gịnị bụ nsogbu anyị? Ka ha bi chefukwa o. Ọ sịrị gị for ndị na-ada aghọta those people that don't understand our language when we are praying. You understand me? Make una pardon us. It is not our fault. Because this is how we have been doing it in ancient days. And this is how we're going to be doing it until eternity end. Get me right. He said it here. You understand? How we worship Chukwu Kabiama. Because it may not be like you people are worshiping it right now. You understand? How we worship Chukwu Kabiama is not how generation worship. All the very important to know what I hear about. So sometimes unugana ama ndunu na haneso. So when I soon this program is program of only Igbo people. But if you want to join, it is welcome. I don't pursue anybody. But I don't want anybody to give me order or give me authorize or give me direction when you are not knowing what I'm saying. If you know, we are Biafrans. Whenever you watch me, both in spirit, both in physical, both in a words, anywhere. If you did not hear the word of this flag, then you know that I am already a saboteur. Then you will already know that I am against the fatherland, the rise of the land of the rising sun. Don't be pretending. Pretending make us to be suffering. Pretending make us to be for enemy to be winning us. Pretending. So today, before I proceed, I apologize those that don't hear my language. Only thing we are talking about, very, very simple. Ikwere, Ijo, Ibanke, Anam, Urobo, Ishekiri, Ijo, and Co. What I'm talking here, what Obi-Wan Ndibo, Mazugo Kechuku, Ozioma Chineke, what I'm talking about here is what concerns this and what will make this to be respected in the whole world. So I am explaining it and evangelizing it in my own tribe language. And I don't owe anybody apology. Because our people say, before you will be good, you will start from your family. Let me put it in a way that it can be, understand. I cannot use because of you. You don't hear me. To be exposing myself and my family to you to be understand what is going on in my home. So if you are in Query, if you are in Jaw, if you are in Balki, if you are in Nom, if you are in any part of what makes this flag to call Biafra, go and evangelize in your own territory. Very, very important. Go and evangelize in your own territory. Nobody will restore peace in your family, only you. Stop making people to feel like they are divided. Remove what is in your eyes before you remove others. Stop using social media to suppress the children of the Most High in the name of what you think you know more than others. Anything you are doing in the name of this, be very, very careful. You are not only smart person in this world, and God cannot make you to be smarter than me. He can never. He knows what he's doing. You can be smarter because you are answering Chinedu. You can only smarter than because you answering Nkechi. I can be smarter than you because I answering Mazugo Kechuku. Because everybody born in this world have a strong talent that he will use to deliver the message from Chukwu Okike Abiama. Only because you people are so wicked, you now use your own to suppress so that the other person will not see his own talent. But I, Mazi Ugwu Okechukwu, Obi-Nwanne Ndị Igbo, Ozioma Chineke, I am here to destroy you, whether you president, whether you councillor, come here. Yet, why I like to speak in Igbo language? I don't know how to speak English. It is not my tribe, and Nigeria deny it from me. I have the opportunity to study it, but they deny it because of they don't want me to know what they know. That is why I run away from using English to explain my beloved ones what is my heart. Because when they can use to intimidate you and suppress you is the same place they made you to don't see. It's the same English they made you to don't learn. How can somebody who did not even go primary school can challenge somebody who go to Oxford in English? Is it possible? No. When you go to where you came from, the language, if you use your language, where we say now every born child, wherever you was born, you must know how to defend your land in your own language. Whether you go to school or whether you go school or you don't go school, you can defend your land in your own language. So anybody where things say, he know what thing they do for this struggle. If you are Igbo man, make him come ask me whether what I talk na lie or na true. No speak English, so the same thing. That is why I cannot interfere for Igwere, for Ijo, for Ibanke, for Ishekiri, for Anam. I can never interfere because I don't know how they grow up. I don't know what the kind God they worship. I am not in charge of there, so I cannot know where I can come from. I will be dancing around the pepper, the tree of pepper. Who was now? If you get so, the only people where we come from Ijo can talk to Ijo in this problem of struggle. Now, people where from Ikwere go talk to their people in this struggle in the language they can hear. Now, people where come from Urobo, now you go use the language to talk to the people what is going on in this flag. Don't expect me that don't know your language, that don't know what is happening in your land, to come and explain your people what is going on in your family. It is a very shame when I saw some people who thought they educated to be coming and telling Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to come in his own territory to educate people in also. I just want to explain those people who will not understand what I'm saying. How can somebody call Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to come to their territory to do what? To explain what is going on in your own land. Is it possible? It's not possible. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu doesn't know what is going on in your land. Whether you are okay or you're not okay, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu doesn't know. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't know what is going on in my family. Now me will tell Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, if I thought or I see, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will have what it takes. And if I want to call Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, to come and help me to tell my people what I thought he know more than me, I will speak it in a peaceful way. I will explain it in a peaceful way. I will beg him. I can even lie down to beg, because what you don't have, you don't have. So I will not go further for this, because I am already repented as a Biafran. And the last 2 days, I was supposed to be here yesterday, but Money Jeremozi did not allow me. I am busy doing something important than always coming here to be telling some people think they know more than others. What I want to let everybody know, be very strong, be very resolute, defend your territory. Let me defend my territory. We will meet in the land of the rising sun. Very, very important. Don't think you know me. You don't know me. And you can never, ever in your entire life know me. The same thing goes to you. That is why every single soul living in this world supposed to do what? To respect himself when he comes to the public. Okay? Yeah, I surrender. Umuchineke ndo mana gemuti ekene nwenye ukwe kene mwenye nta. Ọkakwa mụ abụ Maazị Ugwu Okechukwu obi nwanne ndị Igbo. Odogwa na-ekwu na abịa na onye na-agbasa ozi ọma Chineke na obi nwanne ndị Igbo. Ekene kenere mụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Ekene kenere mụ Maazị Uche Mefọ. Ọfọma bụ ndị mụnwa were na-eme example. Because they have, when teacher teach you, he expecting you to know even more than he teach you. This is what he loves. We are not people that always come and talking on social media. Our work speak for us. That is why we are 7 steps ahead of these fools.